We want to eat better to feel better, so why not cook farm-fresh foods like our ancestors, with ingredients we can pronounce and easy homemade dressings without seed oils that are basically repurposed lubricants. This I call Spanish Marbella sauce, inspired by the Silver Palate's legendary Chicken Marbella. This sauce has a warm, vibrant color and irresistible briny-sweet flavor to mix and match with virtually any plant and protein combination. Join me in the next 3 minutes and I'll show you how easy this delicious, foolproof sauce is. First, we strip fresh oregano leaves from the stems. Oregano, or marjoram, often used in Mediterranean and Middle Eastern dishes, is sweet, slightly bitter, with notes of citrus and pine. Then we mince by gathering into a pile. Hold the leaves with your crab hand, letting your knuckles safely guide the blade of the knife for easy slices across the pile. Then a rock chop. Hold the tip of the knife with one hand and pivot as you mince with the other. To prep your dates, simply cut in half lengthwise. Remove the pit, slice into ribbons, and then dice crosswise into little pieces. I replace the traditional prunes with dates for potassium, magnesium, and even calcium. For your olives, simply slice into little circles. I buy the already pitted variety to keep things simple. Olives are high in vitamin E, which is good for the heart. Last, our 5-second garlic prep. Simply snap off a clove or two from the head, clip the root end, and smash with the flat surface of your knife's blade. Garlic contains properties that help protect the body against oxidative damage. With our familiar and trusted immersion blender jar, pour in your heart-healthy extra virgin olive oil, a little red wine vinegar for brightness and tang, and a touch of syrupy date molasses for natural sweetness, free of additives and preservatives. Next, plop in your garlic and a touch of salt, as the olives and capers already bring a natural salty flavor to the sauce. Place your immersion blender, or your magic wand as I like to call it, so that the head is resting at the bottom of the jar, covering the whole garlic. Blend for a few seconds, keeping the blender stationary, then up and down to allow air to boost the volume so it's nice and creamy. Use the jar that came with your magic wand because it fits the width of the blender head tightly, which allows for the ingredients to emulsify so well. Next, add in your capers, your sliced olives, and your fresh herbs. Oh, and don't forget your nutrient powerhouse, sweet, chewy dates. Gently stir to combine. I add a lot to this sauce, so it's pretty dense. You can always double the liquid ingredients if you like it on the thinner side. This unique Spanish-inspired sauce comes together in minutes with only 3 simple kitchen tools and makes one gorgeous and memorable dish paired with virtually any plant and protein combination. Enjoy.